So this video is all about the Play-Doh ice cream truck. Yes, so I got this from my granddaughter and I put it all together, and to learn how to put it together, you got to go online. That's number one. But number two, this thing is a fantastic toy. She absolutely loves it. It makes noises. Here's a little look around here. We can just take a 3D look and look at everything that's all included in this ice cream truck. As you can see here, it comes all complete once you put it all together. It's got a little refrigerator. It's got lots of space. It's just a really, really cute and really just different. And she absolutely loves it. She plays with it. Main thing you do, you have to just clean out. Make sure you clean out the components when you're done using it. It gets stuck and you just got to work at it a little bit harder. But while it's still soft, definitely do it. You can see here what's included. You get the ice cream machine, all the accessories, you get cones, you get a bunch of Play-Doh, you get to make ice creams, you can make, there's molds, there's all kinds of really great interaction here that you can play with your child, or the children can play together for hours and hours. Fantastic. You can see all the different Play-Dohs, different colors. This is like a little refrigerator or a little storage area for all your tools and all your accessories. You can go put that away when they're done. And then you can put the Play-Doh in the little ice cream refrigerator. Looks like a little refrigerator. It's really cute. And they use that. You can see all the Play-Doh. It's really quite awesome. They're the small cans, which is perfect for them. There's some tools. There's some spoons. There's just a bunch of little accessories. There's an extractor here. You can just do that. You can make all kinds of fun stuff. There's all dishes. There's rollers. There's a thing here to make ice cream molds. There's also looks like a popsicle. A popsicle mold. As well, you can make sundaes. It looks like you can make banana boats. You can make small ice cream cones. You can make large ice cream cones. It's just a super cool tool. The kids are going to absolutely love it. This thing here, it makes noises you can hear here. So when you can press the cherry, and it starts playing this song, which is really cute. And you can just really, like the ice cream truck is here, right? Like when we were kids, so that's how that works. So this is a fantastic toy. This video is a little bit longer than our other 1-minute reviews because I really want to just give you a whole impact of what's involved in this. There's a lot to it. There's a lot of information here, so that's what I wanted to do. Just give you just more information. That way you can see what's involved in this kit, because you really can't tell. There's all kinds of accessories. There's big cones, little cones. There's dishes. There's just so many components to this thing. It's just amazing, amazing toy. You can look a little register, makes little noises. And inside the register as well, there's more molds. You can make, there's all kinds of things. Molds here, you can actually make all different kind of molds, which is really cute. So there's a lot of interaction here. There's a lot of play. There's a lot of imagination. It's just a fantastic toy. Here's one here. Now, this is used to make sprinkles. So you just pop that in the device there, put some Play-Doh in, and then you make sure you have to just make sure you back this off. That's the first thing you have to do. Back it all the way out, and then you just push it in, snap it on. Just like you see that, and you just basically drive it down just like this here. You put a little dish under it, and it actually cuts little sprinkles. So all kinds of sprinkles, you can just push them on here. You can put different color of Play-Doh in there and make different color sprinkles, and that's really cute, really cute. But the main thing is to make the ice cream, right? The kids love to make the ice cream. So what you have to do is you have to load up the container with the actual Play-Doh, and I'll show you that in 1 second. You can see here, you just take this container out here, and this is two-sided, and the idea is you can put either two different color Play-Dohs in there, or one color. Just one just for the demonstration here. So you pack it up as much as you want, open it up, and then just basically just push it into the machine, and then you're good to go. It's pretty simple to do and pretty easy to use. So just continue, just pop it right in there, just like you see here, and then you just put the pressure down and just put a dish underneath it. So a child can do this. It's got plenty of leverage in this, the way they designed it, so it does work well. It's got a big handle, and just when you pull it down, and it makes the ice cream, as you can see here. It's just really kind of cool, like a swirl, like a soft serve, and that's how that works. So again, really good. Make sure you clean out the container when you're done. It's just a part of the system. If you don't, it gets dried up and it's really difficult to clean. So just make sure you do that. But absolutely love this ice cream truck Play-Doh. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Just look at this ice cream truck Play-Doh. I think it's really cool. The kids are going to love it. I think it's a lot of fun and definitely the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a little bit longer than usual, but I really wanted to get into detail and just show you all the fun parts of it. Thanks for watching.